Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is street style Pani Puri. So let's get started. First, we're going to do the water. For that we need a handful of mint, a handful of coriander leaves. Now to this we'll add chilies and ginger. Chilies about 8 numbers and ginger 3 to 4 pieces of 1 inch. You can adjust the spice levels according to your taste. Add little salt to it. Then we'll add 1 cup of water. Now we will blend this. And now we are going to strain it. Strain it really well. Add 1 cup of water inside the blender and same add it to the strainer. Now the residue, please don't throw it, keep it aside for the masala. Now let's make the Pani Puri's pani. Now for this we are going to add some masalas. Add 1.5 teaspoon of Asafetida, 2 tablespoons of chaat masala and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Now mix this all really well. Our pani is partially ready now. Now we'll add 1 whole lemon juice. If you are using Indian lemon, you can use 2. If you want, you can add 2 lemon slices too. Now we will add 4 cups of tamarind water and we are going to mix it really well. Now let's add salt. We are using a pink salt since we don't have black salt, but I will prefer you to use black salt because it will really give a good taste. So our pani is now ready. Now let's make our masala. For that we will need 4 numbers of boiled potatoes. We will smash them really well. Now to this we'll add ginger and chilies. You can add it according to your spice tolerance, so I'm not giving you any measurement. Now we will add finely chopped onion, about 1 medium size. Now we will add the residue which we have strained from the pani. And we'll add 1 cup of soaked chickpeas. You can add this soaked chickpeas water to this for a taste. Now to that we'll add about 2 tablespoons of chaat masala. Now we are adding pink salt here, about 1 teaspoon. As mentioned earlier, please use black salt for more amazing taste. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Now add black pepper powder about 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder about 1 teaspoon and mango powder about 2 teaspoons. Now let's mix it all together really well. Now we'll top it up with some chopped coriander leaves. We're going to mix it. And there our masala is ready. Now we'll keep it aside. Now let's make our tamarind chutney. For that we'll need tamarind pulp about 250 ml. Now to that we'll add chili powder about 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon and add jaggery melted about 3 teaspoons. Now add salt about 1/4 teaspoon. We are adding all this and we are going to mix it with the gas stove off. Once it's mixed, we'll switch on the flame and start stirring. You can see the consistency right now. Now we will stir this very nicely till the water is separated out. You can see the consistency right now. Our tamarind chutney is now ready. You can even store this in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Now let's crack our puri. Hearing this sound is like man mein laddu phut raha hai. Now we'll start adding our fillings to it. Aha, so tasty, it's like mouth is watering. We'll add tamarind chutney, oh yummy. We'll add some bhujia and then we'll finally dip it in the pani. Oh my god, it's so tempting. So make this yummy and tasty street style Pani Puri at your home and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.